Hi everyone, and welcome to the first lesson of the Unit Testing for AngularJS course. I created this course because I needed to learn how to test AngularJS applications that I had been working on, but I couldn't find any good resources that had all the information that I needed. None of the AngularJS courses I followed had a section dedicated to testing, so after months of gathering the info, I decided to create this course with what I had learned to help others who ran into the same problem. I'm your instructor, Matthias Kensia, but you can just call me Matt. And first of all, I'd like to thank you for signing up for this course. I really do appreciate it. I try to keep the course as concise and to the point as possible, so we'll only be learning the most important aspects of AngularJS testing, and jumping right into a real-world situation by creating an app and testing it as we go along. That being said, feel free to post in the discussions about any topic that you'd like to learn more about, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Any feedback is also always appreciated, and I'll try and improve the course with any suggestions made. One last thing before we get started. To get the best quality out of these videos, don't forget to click on the little gear icon in the bottom right and select 1080p to get the full HD versions of these lessons. Now head on over to the next lesson and let's get started.